Granny Pig is going away. Hooray! For a few days.
Running down to the riptide, taken away.
Grandpa Pig will be Grandpa Pig.
Okay.
Grandpa Pig will be
Fine.
This is ridiculous.
This is a
Grandpa Pig.
What?
You will need this. It's a spinno.
Oh my God! Please subscribe to my channel. I'm really trying. Also, don't forget the bell. Spiders are busted here every day. Thanks.
I know what it is.
Really?
If you want to boil an
Manure. Yes, I know.
Pig.
What did Granny be, King George?
But why are you not at the air, babe? There's only out. Why are you not at the 8?
Daddy Pig working.
Oh,
My.
I'd better call it.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig speaking. Peppa Pig speaking. Hello, Peppa.
I'd like to go to the airport, please.
Of course.
Daddy, can we buy at the airport?
Okay.
Going to the airport, are you?
Yay. And actually, we're in a bit of a hurry. Here. Granny Pig has a...
Dementia.
She's going.
I never have time to go on holiday. I'm too busy being...
Making white tea. Miss Rabbit, are you talking like a Peppa Pig? Peppa Pig speaking.
Wow.
The taxi has arrived at the airport.
Bye-bye, Granny.
Peppa and George are
Having a lot of fun without.
Granny Pig